Welcome back, everyone. In this lecture, we're going to go have a quick overview of the Pandas exercises for this section of the course. In the very next lecture, we'll walk through the solutions. Let's take a quick look at the exercise questions. Okay, underneath your Pandas Crash Course folder, if you scroll down, you should see 07-Pandas Exercises. The very next notebook, 08, are the solutions. So go ahead and click on 07 first, open it up, and here we have some exercises based off of a data set. So this data set is from a global financial stability and study, so you can check it out. We have an original source of data as well as the publication that it came from. And basically this data set is going to be valuable to those who seek to understand the dynamics of financial stability within the context of several African countries. So we also have a bullet point list here of all the column names as well as what they represent. So you can check that out, but basically the one thing to note here is that there's many different possible solutions to all these questions. As long as you get the same answer that we did, then your solution should be totally okay. So what we've done here is we want you to complete the tasks below. So all the tasks are in bold here, and we recommend that below each task we have two cells, one that says code here and then an empty one. For many of these, you'll notice that as you continue on, you should see the expected result below this empty cell. So go ahead and do not code in this empty cell, otherwise when you run your code you'll overwrite the expected output. Instead, code where it says code here, that way you can compare your results to the expected results. So here we just have a series of questions for you to answer, things such as in what year did Kenya have its first system crises? So keep in mind, for something like this, in what year did Kenya have its first system crises, you could either manipulate pandas enough to get the single value of the correct answer, which is, in this case, 1985, or you can simplify it enough so that maybe after sorting your results in the data frame, the very first row here shows you that in 1985 there was a systemic crisis equal to 1. So again, some of these results here, it may not look like it's the singular correct answer, but it does answer the question if you just take a look at maybe the first row or something like that. So keep that in mind. Technically, for example, for this question, the correct answer is 1985. If you want to keep filtering out this data frame by then grabbing the year of the very first row here, that's okay too. Okay, so go ahead and try your best at these various tasks, and we'll see you in the next lecture where we go over the solutions.